This video shows how to clean the interior and exterior parts of the Xerox C320 color printer. To avoid activating buttons and menus when cleaning the printer, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Slightly dampen a soft, lint-free cloth with water or glass cleaner. To remove fingerprints and smudges, clean the touchscreen and control panel with a soft, damp, and lint-free cloth. Use a soft, damp, and lint-free cloth to clean the outside of the output tray, paper trays, and other exterior areas of your printer. Remove the tray and wipe the feed rolls and tray with clean, lint-free cloth moistened with water. Insert the tray back into the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.